Renewal print-on adhesive paper. You can now produce high-quality sticker simply with a regular printer at home. There are two types of different stickers depending on what type of printer is used, for inkjet and laser. You can also choose clear and white for color options. For this product, you'll need the papers, printer, and scissors or a craft knife. Use the computer to edit the size and the shape of the image. Print on the glossy side of the paper for both clear and white. You had to print on the matte side of the white print-on for the old version, but for the renewal one, make sure you print on the glossy side. Cut out the image. Scratch with your fingernails to remove the backing paper. Wipe the surface clean, then mount the image. But be careful, the inkjet inks are water soluble, which means it will dissolve in water, so you might want to spray coat afterwards. Keep the remaining papers in an airtight plastic bag. Thank you for watching. If you want more information about products, please visit our website on www.sunnyscopa.com. You can also email us if you have any questions.